We're here at Clearwater Beach, and so the famous pier is right in the back, right there. And so just on my this direction here is Frenchie's, the famous Frenchie grill. And so food is delicious. It's right on the beach. I think it's convenient beach, and the food is awesome. Here we are at the Frenchie's restaurant. Right there, sitting out there. It's a little bit cooler in here. Just enjoying. I guess 11 a.m. is when they open, so having our brunch. Just looking out at the Clearwater Beach. The pier is on that side over there. And what can be more awesome? Well, here it is, being right in the beach. The water is really shallow and calm, so you can see it's almost like a lake water, and it's so calm that you can, what am I, like, it's about 100 feet out, and I'm still up to like my belly button. So nice and cool, and it's so family friendly. You can see like a lot of families with kids over there. So this is the sand of Clearwater. It's smooth, more than salt. It's more like rice flour, just flour. It's just that smooth. But let me take you to the sand and the water. In the water, you get a lot of seashells here, like that. Okay? And that's the sand. It's not hard to the touch. It doesn't hurt. So I've been to St. Pete's Beach, and I say this thing beats St. Pete by so much. So initially, when I was thinking of St. Pete or Clearwater, was having a hard time deciding. But you know, being here, there's no question. Clearwater beats St. Pete by any time, because the water, the sand is really smooth, and so there's not shells. You don't get afraid your feet will get cut. It's smooth. They clean it better here, and the water is just as calm or calmer, and you can tell by just so many people here playing in the water, right? So if you have a hard time deciding between St. Pete or Clearwater, okay, by a long stretch. Guys, so we're here at the Clearwater, and this is the main stretch here of Clearwater. So yeah, this is the most popular boulevard. So all the shops here is where people kind of hang out, and there's restaurants and shops everywhere, and the pier is just right behind you. So.